Today, today we are going to discuss the how to identify variables in regression. There are two types of regression variables: dependent variables and independent variables. Dependent variable is the one whose value depend on other variable, like we had previously discussed in parent height and children's height relationship. Children height depends on the parent height, so children height is dependent and parent height is independent. First of all, always remember before solving the questions that you should know and you should identify which one is dependent and which one is independent variable. For example, if in the custom it is written y on x, that you denote independent variable with y and dependent variable with y and independent variable with symbol x. But it can be or in the opposite direction, like x on y. In generally we find the relationship and we denote the dependent variable with the symbol y and independent variable with the symbol x. But remember this, the inverse is also possible, that you can find x on y depending on the case. दो तरह की लाइंस होंगी, y on x और x on y. कस्टम जो है एक ट्रेडिशनल वे है, वो ये है कि हम डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल को y से शो करते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल को x से शो करते हैं. बट इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी इन ऑल केसेस. यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव रिलेशनशिप लाइक x on y. Now let me explain how to identify the variables. First of all, just look into the problem and find what is the kind of relationship between them. For example, if the problem is of price and demand, or the question relates to price and demand, as we know that demand depends on price. In economics there is a law of demand which tells us that demand directly affected by the price. So demand in this case is dependent and price is in this case is independent. We denote demand with, let's suppose, variable y, and price is denoted by x. So you can find y on x, but it is not necessary that you denote the demand with y. You can denote it by x, but remember that first variable is dependent and other is independent in relationship of regression. जैसे y on x है तो y हमेशा डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल को डिनोट करेगा और x हमेशा इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल को डिनोट करेगा. इन जनरल जो प्राइस के रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं उसमें प्राइस यूजुअली इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के तौर पे एक्ट कर रही होती है, बिकॉज प्राइस डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट्स मैनी इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स लाइक डिमांड, सप्लाई, wages, etc. Number two, the other relationship is number of employees and clothes produced. As we know that in production the number of employees is a very important variable. If you have more employees you will have more production. So independent variable in this case is number of employees and clothes produced is dependent variable. If I denote it by again y and this by x, you will have variable, you will have the relation y on x. Remember, this is the custom or traditional way of writing regression, but it can be in converse form x on y. It is not necessary कि हमेशा y on x आए. You can also find x on y depending on the case. For example, in your question it is written that price is y and demand is x, then you cannot force or you cannot just simply find y on x. In this case you have to find x on y. So clearly check करना है कि डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल क्या है, इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल क्या है. अगर आपका डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल x से डिनोट हो रहा है तो डोंट फाइंड y on x, फाइंड x on y. और अगर आपका डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल y on x है तो फिर आपने y on x रिलेशनशिप निकालना है. Now the regression 9 tell two kind of relationship, y on x and x on y. For y on x, y is equal to a plus bx. Y on x means y is depending on x, means y is dependent and x is independent. X is independent means x is the variable which affects y. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इन रिग्रेशन रिलेशनशिप जो ऑर्डर में फर्स्ट वेरिएबल होता है जब हम इक्वेशन राइट करते हैं द फर्स्ट वेरिएबल इज डिपेंडेंट एंड अदर इज इंडिपेंडेंट. जैसे यहाँ पे आप लाइन देख सकते हैं y is equal to a plus bx. Y is dependent over here and x is independent over here. A and b are the regression parameters. I have written subscript yx to remind that y is depending on x. Yx means y depends on x. In the same way, x on y can be found x is equal to a plus by and the subscript xy denotes that x is depending on y. A is the intercept of the regression line and B is the slope of regression line. Always remember that first you have to check the kind of relationship before starting the question of regression. अगर कुछ मेंशन नहीं है तो आप जनरली या कस्टमरली आप y on x निकालते हैं if there is no mention of the variable that what is y what is x. But if it is clear cut mentioned in the question then please look into the relationship, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगाएं, then चेक कि डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कौन सा है और इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कौन सा है. एंड इन रिग्रेशन रिलेशनशिप व्हेन यू राइट द रिग्रेशन लाइन द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कम्स फर्स्ट और ये हमेशा इस साइड पे होता है आपके लेफ्ट साइड पे एंड राइट साइड पे आपके पास हमेशा इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होता है रिग्रेशन रिलेशनशिप में.